What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to use the remote start feature on a 2015 Buick LaCrosse. So taking a look at our key fob, this button here that's almost a full circle, that's going to be the remote start button. In order to use the remote start, I'm going to lock the vehicle, then immediately hold that button down for a few seconds. The vehicle will respond by flashing its lights and starting. The LaCrosse will run for 10 minutes before automatically turning itself off if we don't get in and drive it. If we want to cancel the remote start or turn the vehicle off before we've gotten in, we'll just hold that remote start button down for a couple seconds. It'll turn the vehicle off. Let's go ahead and remote start it again. Lock, hold that button down for a few seconds. Now, in order to drive our LaCrosse after it's been remote started, we'll need to unlock it and get in, and then just as you normally would, we'll press the brake, stop start button, and then once you see the dash turn on there and you hear that dinging stop, you'll be ready to drive as you normally would. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.